What are you waiting for? Look at someone making around 1,868 pile on a daily basis. Look at another person 700 plus. Look at another person 500 plus. If you are not start mining this project, I believe you are actually joking. And there's no any other project I'm talking about, which is the rap file. I've created a lot of video which I'll be dropping in the comment section and in the description of the particular video on how you could start mining your rapper. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you the latest update about the rapper system and how you'll be able to swap and the armor section that is coming. I tell you, I'll be leaving the best for those who will be able to watch in the end of this particular video, because a lot of things has actually changed. You could see the last time there are a lot of glitch and a lot of login problem happening with the rapper, and after that they did a beautiful job and the interface now is quite good and okay. As you can see, they have updated it and to navigate it is as easy as anything. Let me quickly share you on how you could start, because I will be dropping my referral code in the comment section. And the most beautiful thing that is fact is that you can start mining this particular project in two ways. Remember, you can also start mining it with your using your Telegram via your Telegram app. Yes, and also you can also mine through the web browser version. Any one of your choice, you can actually start mining, and that is one of the most beautiful thing about this particular thing. And you could see the total number of my mining. That means if you have been joking, I tell you the day is getting closer. I myself, when this particular one that I've mined will be unwrapped, you could see I have 88 days, 24 hours, 44 minutes every day. It is counting, and you don't need to even do any big job. You could actually leave it for you to continue mining, and I just tap on claim. It is as easy as that. It is nothing that you just have to come every 24 hours to come and start claiming. No, it is not like that. Let me quickly start sharing with you most of the updates that I have for you in this particular video. Just sit tight. So a lot of people have been coming on air calling this particular project scam and a lot of names, because they were not accepting an AMA section, because there are a lot of questions that has been bothering a lot of people. And look at what they post on their X account 5 days ago. Look at it. They say, "How Pioneer, we have recently seen several AMA requests from the RAPI community. What date will you choose to host an AMA about the future development of rap pie? Select your AMA date." And you can see this one lead, which was June 9. As at the time of recording video is June 8. That means tomorrow is the time. Look at it at 7 p.m. UTC. And another vote that was chosen was 10, but it has the lower vote on it because everybody wants to know. So if you haven't started, I tell you, it's best that you start mining this particular project now, because the earlier you start mining it, the earlier your time and your chances of unlocking your wrap pie into wrap that you'll be able to swap it. I'll still be sharing a lot of updates. Just sit down and watch. So to tell you that these particular people are not joking, and like what I've shared with you in other video, they have actually partnered with one of the big DEX exchange, which is the Pick Cake Swap. Yes, this was their partnership, which is one of the DEX where you'll be able to swap your wrap pie into pie or any crypto of your choice. This is one of this thing that these people are building silently behind the scene. They are really actually doing work. And look at their armor that they have talked about. Look at it here. They said the AMA section announcement, Rapide will hold an AMA on X Live topic, and this is the topic: Rapide solution in the 5 Web3 world. So this is the date, June 9, which is tomorrow, 2025. The time is 7 p.m. UTC. Location is X Live. So I urge you to actually join so that you'll be able to freely express yourself and be able to know what this particular have behind for you. I tell you, with that, you'll be able to get yourself educated and be able to ask any of your questions, and the team member will be able to answer you about this particular wrap pie token. Because I tell you, the earlier the better. I hope I've been able to show you a lot of people making 1,100 plus of wrap pie on a daily basis. meaning in just over 100 days, they must have been able to make over 100,000 pi. I kid you not. So after the upgrades were completed, you could see what we are told. We are told that the swap and withdrawal functions are now open. We have completed the swap and withdrawal functions upgrade. Pioneer can now exchange. Look at it. Rappi from nodes mining reward to they can now turn it to Solana, BNB, Tone, and Pi. I tell you, let me quickly break down what this one actually means. Let's go back to our mining. So these are people that, let me quickly show you. This is the notepad. What you need to do for you to participate, and for you, if you want to start withdrawing your wrap pi currently, is for you to deposit. Yes, you have to deposit a minimum of 1 pi, and the notes, it depends, is about 160% that you'll be able to unlock. And this is the address if I'm supposed to take. Let me say I stake 10 in the node. Look at it. Look at the profits that I'll be able to make. This is what I'll be able to make daily, 0.17. And in 90 days, I'll be able to make 26 wrap pi, which is convertible. And for those that have actually take their pi, they'll be able to come to this particular section here, which is the swap section. Which, if you come to this particular side, you just input the number of, let's say, 100. You could see here now that 100 wrap pi, we also give an equivalent of 100 pi, yes, which you'll be able to transfer to your wallet. And let's come to this particular wallet section. You can see here that now currently you can actually put here either if you want to convert it, your BNB wallet. And if you haven't connected to your Tone wallet, you can actually connect it. You see, I've actually connected mine. So if you have converted your wrap pile into pile, you can just put your pile address here and just update it and just send it to your account. Voila, it is as easy as that. And I tell you, a lot of people have started already. Let me quickly show you. Yes, this is a screenshot of someone that was able to do is that they were able to share. You could see the details here. He was able to convert and get 5.30 pi using the conversion. You could see that it was approved here. This was what he used and he did it. So you can just go and connect your own wallet also. So what do you say about the Rappi mass section that will be happening on live? If you know you'll be there on live, start writing your question which you want to get an answer to from the team members. And also, if you can click in the description below or in the comment below to watch our awesome videos that I've created on how you could actually complete your task here. On the top, I've actually show you on how to swap your wallet. And if you can come to this particular section here, which is the account section, you'll be able to see all those that you're able to refer, and you'll be able to link everything together. So if you have any question about Rappi, please kindly drop it in the comment section of this particular video, and I'll be waiting to answer your question. Thank you. Bye bye for now.